Okay, so we've been getting some intermittent showers during our nature play, but you know what? There's nothing greater than to build your immune system, to get a little bit wet every once in a while. Get wet, get hot on the inside, so you got the contrast, you got the old yin-yang. I'm using a 35-pound custom-made all-steel club that I love, so let's swing a little. By the way, I just heard Maria Muldaur singing, "It ain't the meat, it's the motion." So, I'm 70 years old. Tomorrow's the first day of spring. And you know what I'm doing? I'm doing my thing. I don't care about any stinking virus. There's hundreds of viruses, thousands of bacteria, all kinds of stuff. How strong am I? That's the question. Don't worry about medicine. Build your immune system. My grandma used to say, it's a great life. If you don't weaken, I changed a little bit. It's a great life. If you stay strong, you live totally, you live out loud, you live large. Come on, folks. We're Americans, Americans. Let's do it.